Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 10 of loving my minis in February. I just wanted to double check. I panicked at the last second. So I have my $10. Nope, I have my $8. Here we go. It's day 10. I'm getting my life together. All right, so I have everything sorted. Let's put my money in my bank. I'm going to leave day 10 there so I can say it one more time. Coco, say hello. Coco, no bark. I know, go see Daddy. Okay, so I am filming this. Okay. Coco, no bark. I know, that was a big one. It's okay, Coco. Come here. Okay. All right, sorry about that. I'm filming this Sunday night so I can have a couple in line ready to go since these go out super early in the morning for me. And it's Super Bowl, and apparently the Super Bowl's over, and there's some fans here that are lighting off lots and lots of fireworks, and Coco does not like fireworks. So, all right, I'm starting on 5. Hi guys, hope you're doing okay. Let me start over. This is me just going through my minis. I did this all December, all January, and now we're in February. And I did buy some dashboards from Brittany over at Budgeting with a Ginger. She has the cutest March set of dashboards and all that. So I'm excited to do that one. So we're day 10. Let's see if we can keep the streak alive of finishing a challenge every day. Whoops, that does not count. That counts. All right, 5 is getting 3. So how are you doing? Did you take yesterday off to recover from Super Bowl stuff? I did not. I forgot the Super Bowl was on, but that's okay. I was busy working. But it doesn't feel like work when I'm doing all my YouTube stuff and orders. I enjoy it. So 2 for 1. 1, 2, and 3 for 2. What's 3 gonna get? 2. That's okay. That's good. It's better than 1, right? 2 for 4. 2 for 5. 2 for 6. 3 for 7. All right. 3 for 8. So we have 2 left. So let's see if 1 will get both of them. And they will. So we'll start at 2 next time. Okay. I don't know if you can hear the fireworks. Paranoid my mic isn't working because it wasn't working earlier. All right. Let's get out of the way. Let's get my little tray. I need a pen. Okay, got my pens. My goodness, so many fireworks. All right, so we got $1 for number 1. Oh, people. Oh, we needed 75 cents. We finished one. Yes, streak continues. Day 10. All right, so I will remove 3 of these, put them in our little cup. I will cross off 3 blasters. 1, 2, and 3, and this saved us $5. So excited. All right, so let's just dig into the queue. What is this one? This one is from Isabel Gigi, and I have each snowball will just be 25 cents. So no matter what the number says, it's pretty much going to be 25 cents. So we have 1 of those, so I'll color in 1 snowball. And put this into 1. All right, we started a new one. All right, number 3. Oops. And by 3, I mean 2. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think that fireworks and Coco barking threw me off. All right, so number 2 got 75 cents. We started this one last week. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So 1, 2, and 3. This will save us $4. And at the end of the month, I will do a little left, right, center with my money that I have left over, and I think I'm going to do what I did last time and put some of it towards my shark binder and bee binders, because people really loved that, and I loved doing it. It was so fun to do. And I was like, I don't know how I'm going to be able to come up with that, because I can't guarantee, you know.
It's okay. Oh my goodness, you're right here. Come here, Coco. Come here. Coco, come here. It's okay.
You want to sit on my lap? Because I can't guarantee sales, and that's what I was going to use some of my sales for that. But if I save with it here and then put some of my left, right, center money there, I figured that'd be a good idea. So 2 hearts. I might have Coco in my lap in a minute, which will make coloring things really difficult, but I'm trying to go a little fast. She is just not like fireworks. Okay. And then number 4. Oh my gosh, got both 50 cents. It's okay, Coco.
Come here. It's okay, little one. You okay, Phoenix?
All right. So that's $1. So we can do 4 pumpkins. This one is from Save with Judy. And I usually fast forward, but since I already started talking, oh my gosh, fireworks. I think they're like right outside. And I thought when they started doing a lot of building around us that would go away, but apparently not. I should pay attention. I think this is my last pumpkin. Okay. That is turning out super cute. You okay, Phoenix? Oh, we finished it. We needed $1.25, and that's what we got. That's exciting. So this one saves $6. Hi, Coco. You want to come here? Come here. Ready? Up. All right, everybody. Here's Coco. He's shaking. You're okay, little one. Okay, we just saved $6. That's so exciting. Can you sit? All right, Coco, lay down. Lay down. Right here. Or you want to go over there? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this with her on my lap. All right, so we got $1.25. We were able to finish this one from Becca. So that one's going to save $6. I'm actually very happy I have that little camera off to the side so I can see what I'm doing because Coco's head's in my way. Okay, so we do not have any money to go into another one, but let's pick... Oops. I'm trying to see what I'm doing. This one is from Bogus Mama Budgets. This will save us $5. So we'll put that in there. All right, and then number 6 got $1. So let's see. Oh, we just started this one last week. You're okay, little one. You're okay. Very sorry if she keeps hitting my mic, but okay, so let's just go down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, don't shake. That always makes me feel so bad. All right, looks like 7 got a ton. Coco, you want to lay down? Thank you. Do you want to lay down? Okay. You're okay. Just have a little Coco intermission for a second. It's okay. Whatever you need. Kind of sounds like the fireworks stopped. All right, I'm going to take you off for a second. You just sit right there on my lap. Oh, don't shake. I'm sorry, Coco. Okay, so let's see. Number 7 got a bunch. So it looks like all 25 cents. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 125. You hear Daddy? Babe, can you come get her? It's kind of hard to record with, she's shaking. She wanted to be on my lap, so she made a little debut in the video. Thanks, babe. Okay, so, all right, so we are starting. Number 7 has $1.25. Ooh, we only needed 75 cents, so we finished another one. Woohoo! This one is from Christine over at Financial Dreams with Christine. This was the Dead Poets Society one. That saved us $4. So that was 75 cents. And then we need a new one. So the Q, what's this one? This one is another one from Isabel Gigi. Each circle will be 25 cents. So we have 50. That one will save us $2. Okay, and then number 8. We've got $1.25 as well. So let's see. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Also just needed 75 cents. Holy big finish day. So I'll take these 3 25s away, and that's our 75. So we finished another one from Lindsay. I know I can pull another one from her, so let's see what this one is. Nope, this one isn't Lindsay. This is Dawn Sunrise Budgeting collab with Neuralist Budgets. So we got some witch hats here, so we can color in 2. Should I introduce a new color? Probably not. All right, so we'll do... Do I feel like coloring it in? Apparently. Okay, so we did 2 witch hats for 50 cents. Okay, do that. Oh my goodness, we finished a bunch. That's exciting. Day 10, record books. I don't know what my record is, so it really isn't the record books. All right, so let's go here. Let's see what we need. Let's see, what is our highest one? Our highest one is 6. 6 and 4 is 10, and then 4 and 5 is 19. Oh my gosh. $19. That's crazy. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19 today. All right, let's go back to completed. We are going to stick the $19 in here. And then 4 challenges were completed. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we will stick that in this one. Yes, day 10 rocked. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and joining me while I saved some money. I appreciate you so much. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.